I remember a song when I was growing up in the 1960s called For What It's Worth by the Canadian-American band Buffalo Springfield. The lyrics said, "There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear." The chorus demanded, "Everybody look what's going down." The story goes that band member Stephen Stills was heading into Hollywood to a live music show on Sunset Strip when he came across a big protest by young people over a curfew and the closing of a club known as Pandora's Box. Stills recalled in 1971, quote, "A bunch of kids got together on a street corner and said, 'We aren't moving.' About 3 busloads of Los Angeles police showed up who looked very much like stormtroopers. And I looked at it and said, 'Jesus, America is in great danger.'" End quote. Stills wrote For What It's Worth after what he saw that night and included in the lyrics, "It starts when you're always afraid. You step out of line, the man take you away." It became an anthem of the 60s counterculture when the young, or some of them, took the road of free love, free speech, and freedom from war, especially the mass murder and brutality of Vietnam. 56 years after that song was released, the irony is stark, but the theme of its message is very clear. Freedoms have been demolished worldwide since the dawn of the COVID era, and continue to be so as we head towards a long-planned dystopia, the like of which we have never seen in known human history.
There's something happening here. What it is ain't exactly clear. There's a man with a gun over there, telling me I got to beware. I think it's time we stop, children. What's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Battle lines being drawn. Nobody's right if everybody's wrong. Young people speaking their minds are getting so much resistance from behind. Time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. What a field day for the heat. 1,000 people in the street, singing songs and carrying signs, mostly say hooray for our side. It's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Strikes deep into your life, it will creep. It starts when you're always afraid. Step out of line, the man come and take you away. We better stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going down. Stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look what's going. We better stop now. What's that sound? Everybody